Hey guys, welcome back to another day in our life. This morning I have a video phone call with the toddler's social worker, and the big kids are already outside playing because it's so much nicer than it was this time last week. So we're loving that. And my hair, I'm trying it like a heatless curl thing. I found it on YouTube. I don't have super high expectations, but we're gonna see what happens here. Oh, well, it will be.
Once it dries out, this is going to be their farm.
Yeah, but we may have to wash the Barbies.
Yeah, they might get a little. And then I'll make them wear my not so favorite clothes.
Yeah.
Stand up.
Oh.
And then here's. We don't want to use this one. Oh yeah. Okay, wait. There was here's one. We need a windmill. This will be the windmill. No, we can make. No, this is telephone wire. Yeah, it's telephone wire.
Let's see this windmill. Look at that. Sorry, don't want to break your farm.
Alright. It's a new farm. They're still like working. As you can see, there's only a few fences and the garden's still growing and but Rika, this is great! These are like telephone wires.
Oh yeah?
And this is a water sprayer. It sprays the gardens. It goes into there and then travels into.
So the kids are spending the morning making a farm out of dirt and sticks and rocks. And Ephraim, why don't you show us what you've got here? What is this here?
These are rows, but I didn't think they were very good. And that is a cotton field.
Oh, this is the cotton field. The snow?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the water spouter. This is power lines, the fence. And then here's a dump truck taking rocks away.
Taking rocks.
And then there's a garden.
Oh wait, what happened here? You were making a mountain.
Well, the mountain didn't work.
Oh, the mountain didn't work? Okay, sorry.
Oh, and then this one was the garden.
With your windmill?
Yeah.
I love it. And then Rika, what are you building here?
I am building a house, which is really hard. I wasn't expecting it to be this hard, but I'm working on it. Oh! My bubble gum gun, but I'm trying to work on the farm. Oh, it's so disgusting.
You made it a little dirty.
What?
You made the water a little dirty.
Back to work I go.
How many bubbles do you have stuck to your hand?
I don't know. I'm 15.
So cool.
Will you guys help look for rocks?
So Rika's adding a cobblestone floor to her house. We're finding all the rocks. Oh, there's one right here.
Oh, once this is cleaned, it'll be a nice rock for a floor. How are you making that? How are you sticking it all together? I just stick it on the ground because it's so wet, and then sprinkle snow across it to clean it, to clean all the rocks.
Where's it go?
So when you hit this, this spins, and then it spins those gears, and then it spins this, which activates a bubble. Some foam to come in here, go into there, and then this blows it out too.
Nice. Figured out how it works.
It's all foamed up. Here. Oh, that's nice.
You got what?
I got some sunflowers, and I'm gonna plant one or two of them.
In your farm there?
Yeah, it's going to be really. If they actually grow, if they grow really large, then the people who are gonna live there are gonna look tiny.
It'll be a little bit larger than their
This, yeah.
Our garden is
Mom,
also dead from last year. We got a little tiny corn. That's the one that didn't grow all the way last year.
I don't know.
Don't eat it.
I wouldn't. Hey, no, I'm going to plant them.
Oh yeah, there's still lots of sunflowers. I thought the birds would eat more in the winter. Oh dear, we better not put those all over here or we're gonna have so many in the garden.
Like, they eat these?
Yeah, and each of those would turn into a new sunflower.
Oh.
Don't. What are you guys doing here?
It books. And there's a storm that's in Earth. No. Where people who are learning to sail boats.
To sailboats or sailboats? What did you say?
Sail.
Sail. Gotcha.
So we're looking at different books to help us.
Cool. Which book is that one?
So there's
Piratology. What do you have there, Ephraim?
Ephraim's is Dragon, Monsterology, but we just wanted to look at that because they're pretending that dragons and monsters. Have you ever seen a monster? What? This.
Our basement is still a disaster. Yes, it is. There's our Marble Run thing. Lego City. More Lego. And we need to practice piano pretty soon because you guys are going to have your first lesson tomorrow in 4 weeks. The first lesson you've had in 4 weeks.
Bless Jacob with many songs. Jacob and young Roasted also had many sheep on donkeys and camels. One day, God told Jacob to go back to his homeland. Angry with him, but Jacob obeyed God. He and his family packed up and everything. They owned Jacob's
Which Bible have you been reading from? Do you want to show the cover? All of a sudden, one day last week, Ephraim decided that he wanted to, instead of listening to the Action Bible, he wanted to read the Bible himself. So we have the Beginner's Bible, and he's been reading a story or 2 or 3 each day.
And I'm on Jacob's.
You're stuck in there.
Well, I'm on Joseph's Colorful Road.
And what page number are you on?
I'm on 70, but this is 71. Oh, a bee's nest. I think I found a bee's nest.
Look at this.
Yeah, there must be.
I feel like we need to address the hair here. It obviously did not turn out like it was supposed to. It's not like terrible, but it's frizzy and it's straight here. I didn't really follow the video. She left it in overnight and I left it in for about an hour and it was still kind of damp when I took it out. So I'm going to try it again and I'll leave the link of the video below. Apparently, according to the comments, it actually works. But, you know, probably only if you actually follow the directions. So I'm going to try that. Plus, when it was still wet, I went outside for like an hour and then outside again in the wind a couple more times today. So, I mean, it's not as terrible as it could be. That being said, let's see. We were outside a lot today. I filmed a little bit of it and lots of it I didn't. We went for a walk just barely and really enjoying, you know, the weather that we're having. And if you'll notice so far from the 2 videos that I filmed, like our homeschool, kind of like day in the life, just life, whatever, the kids do a lot of play, like a lot of free play. And for a long time I thought that was kind of like useless and boring and not helpful. But over time I've realized like how much they learn through play, how much they're copying what they see. Just the other day they were downstairs playing with their Lego city and they were playing out what's going on in the world right now with this pandemic. And you know, like they play out a lot of the things that they're thinking about, they're learning about. So yeah, there is a lot of play, but there's also a lot of learning. Like today everyone was learning about how his bubble gun, like how it sucks up the bubbles and how it all works. And Reika's learning about foundations and how to make like a strong base for a house. And so, I mean, even through play, they learn so much. And we also do other stuff on top of it. Like a couple days ago, Reika decided she wanted to learn Spanish. So we got Duolingo on her tablet and she's kind of been doing that each day. So I hope you enjoyed this little snapshot into our day. I want to keep doing this on a regular basis because, yeah, like no 2 days are the same. And the learning comes in all different forms, shapes, sizes. So yeah, if there's something in particular you want to see, just let me know.